So much, my Claire.
Ronnie, here comes Angel.
She said, oh, I miss my Ronnie so much. She loves you guys. Angel, it's your birthday party. Look, Angel, you got balloons everywhere. She says, but I got my Claire here. Oh, she says, I love you, Claire. Oh, she loves her Claire Bear. Oh, she loves her Claire Bear. I can't believe she's not popping balloons. I really figured as soon as we turned her loose, she'd start popping them. Here we go.
Instead, she comes through them.
What, Angel? Are you excited? They're yours. Them's all yours. She's worried she's going to get in trouble. They're all yours. One down. 19 to go. Look, Angel. Look at your car. She says, I got balloons. I can't look at the car. She says, have you lost your mind? Oh, it's a balloon party. It's a balloon popping party. Here we go. Now you see why I said it didn't matter how big they were?
Yeah. Because she pops them.
Yeah, all of them.
I really like the pink ones. I really want to just say